For decades, astronomers have hoped to see an alien world with true clarity. Not as a faint signal, a tiny shadow, or a computer-generated model, but as an actual planet orbiting a distant star. Thanks to modern space telescopes, that dream is becoming reality. Scientists are now able to observe distant worlds in unprecedented detail, revealing environments more surprising than anyone expected. One of the most discussed planets is K218b. Initially, it appeared to be just another large exoplanet located far from Earth. However, advanced observations revealed a thick atmosphere rich in hydrogen. Researchers also detected water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. Even more intriguing was evidence of dimethyl sulfide, a compound that on Earth is largely associated with biological activity in marine environments. These findings sparked intense scientific interest. Beneath its atmosphere, K218b may contain a vast global ocean stretching across the planet. If conditions are suitable, such an environment could potentially support forms of life unlike anything found on Earth. While no proof of life has been discovered, the planet remains one of the most promising locations for future study. Another remarkable world is HIP 65426b. This giant planet possesses several times the mass of Jupiter and orbits extremely far from its host star. According to traditional planetary formation theories, such a massive world should not exist in its current location. Further analysis revealed unusual atmospheric properties, unexpected temperature patterns, and cloud structures that challenge existing models. These observations suggest a more complicated history than scientists originally anticipated. Some researchers believe the planet may have migrated over vast distances, while others propose that it could have formed under entirely different conditions. Whatever the explanation, it highlights how much remains unknown about planetary evolution. Proxima b has long fascinated astronomers because it orbits the nearest star system to our own. Located within the star's habitable zone, it initially seemed like an ideal candidate for liquid water and potentially life-friendly conditions. However, studying the planet has proven extremely difficult. Its host star emits intense radiation and frequent stellar flares, making direct observation challenging. These energetic outbursts may have stripped away much of the planet's atmosphere over time. As a result, scientists remain uncertain whether Proxima b is truly habitable or merely appears promising from a distance. WASP-39b offered another major surprise. This hot gas giant orbits very close to its star and experiences extreme temperatures. Detailed atmospheric observations revealed a mixture of water vapor, sodium, potassium, carbon monoxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide. The detection of sulfur dioxide was especially significant because it demonstrated active photochemical reactions occurring in an alien atmosphere. Similar processes help shape atmospheric chemistry on Earth. This discovery provided direct evidence that complex chemical interactions can occur on distant planets, expanding our understanding of atmospheric science across the galaxy. The TRAPPIST-1 system generated enormous excitement because it contains several Earth-sized planets. Many scientists hoped these worlds might possess atmospheres capable of supporting life. When researchers examined some of the inner planets, the results were disappointing. Evidence suggested that these worlds lacked substantial atmospheres and were exposed to intense stellar radiation. Without atmospheric protection, maintaining stable conditions for life becomes extremely difficult. The findings demonstrated that planets located in seemingly favorable regions are not automatically habitable. As more exoplanets are studied, a fascinating pattern continues to emerge. The Milky Way appears filled with an incredible variety of worlds. Some are covered by thick atmospheres, others may contain oceans, while many experience extreme temperatures and weather conditions. Yet despite these discoveries, no planet has provided undeniable evidence of life. This presents one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. The ingredients required for life seem widespread throughout the universe, but confirmed biological activity remains elusive. Researchers continue searching for answers, examining each new world in greater detail. Recent discoveries have transformed our understanding of planetary systems. Scientists have observed giant planets in unexpected locations, atmospheric chemistry unlike anything previously known, and environments that challenge long-standing theories. Every new observation reveals a universe that is more complex and surprising than earlier generations imagined. For the first time, humanity is moving beyond speculation and beginning to study distant worlds as real places with unique characteristics. Beyond its mission to investigate dark matter and dark energy, Roman will also contribute to another exciting area of astronomy: the search for planets beyond our solar system. The telescope will continuously monitor enormous numbers of stars near the center of the Milky Way, watching for tiny changes in brightness that occur when massive objects pass between a star and Earth. This technique, known as gravitational microlensing, allows astronomers to detect planets that are often missed by other methods. Many current planet hunting missions are most effective at finding worlds that orbit close to their stars. Roman, however, will be particularly sensitive to planets located farther away, including colder worlds that may resemble the outer planets in our own solar system. As a result, scientists expect Roman to discover thousands of previously unknown planets. These observations will help researchers understand how common planetary systems like ours truly are and provide valuable insights into the diversity of worlds that exist throughout the galaxy. Yet history suggests that the most important discoveries are often the ones nobody expects. Many of the greatest breakthroughs in astronomy occurred when scientists noticed unusual signals or objects while pursuing entirely different goals. Every major observatory has uncovered surprises that were never part of its original mission. Roman is likely to continue that tradition. Its ability to survey vast areas of the sky repeatedly means it will capture enormous amounts of information. Within that data could be rare cosmic events, unusual gravitational effects, previously unknown types of celestial objects, or phenomena that challenge current scientific understanding. What makes Roman especially transformative is the scale of its observations. Earlier generations of astronomy often focused on studying individual targets one at a time. Roman represents a shift toward observing the universe as a connected system. By collecting information from billions of galaxies and millions of stars, scientists can identify patterns that would remain invisible in smaller datasets. When observations reach this level of scale, the universe begins to reveal relationships that cannot be seen through isolated studies. Hidden structures, large-scale trends, and subtle effects become easier to detect. Researchers gain the ability to test theories with far greater precision than ever before. This increased statistical power places modern cosmological models under intense scrutiny. If dark matter behaves as expected, Roman's observations should reveal its influence across the universe with unprecedented clarity. If dark energy follows current predictions, its effects should appear consistently throughout billions of years of cosmic history. However, if the telescope uncovers significant discrepancies, scientists may be forced to reconsider some of their most fundamental assumptions about how the universe works. Such a discovery could trigger one of the most important scientific revolutions of the modern era. Some people view Roman and the James Webb Space Telescope as competitors, but in reality they are designed to complement one another. Each serves a different purpose, and together they create a far more powerful scientific system. Roman will act as a large-scale explorer, identifying unusual objects, interesting regions, and cosmic patterns across enormous sections of the sky. Once these targets are found, Webb can focus its extraordinary observational capabilities on them, examining their properties in exceptional detail. This partnership creates a powerful workflow. Roman identifies where something important may be happening, while Webb investigates exactly what is occurring. One telescope reveals the big picture, while the other examines the fine details. Together, these observatories allow astronomers to understand both individual cosmic objects and the broader structures that connect them. This combination offers a more complete view of the universe than either telescope could provide on its own. Ultimately, Roman is not simply another space telescope. It represents a new approach to studying the cosmos. Instead of concentrating solely on individual discoveries, it seeks to uncover the large-scale patterns that govern the universe itself. By surveying billions of galaxies, monitoring millions of stars, and investigating the invisible forces that shape cosmic evolution, Roman has the potential to transform our understanding of reality. Its observations may help answer questions that have challenged scientists for generations and perhaps reveal entirely new mysteries waiting beyond the limits of current knowledge. As humanity